You'll never believe this, but I am going to take you step by step through the process of splitting a design so you can get the maximum size out of your sublimation print. I work with Microsoft Word, so once you've opened a new document, you will then want to zoom out so that you can easily see the entire page. From here, select Enter until a second page appears. If it does not appear in side-by-side view, go to the top toolbar and change it from vertical view to side-by-side. Now we need to insert our graphic by simply going to the top toolbar, selecting Insert, Pictures, and from this PC. Because this is a split design, it is going to be larger than the 8.5 by 11 standard size print. So we're going to start by cropping the photo in the top right-hand corner. You simply want to crop about halfway down or wherever there is a really nice page break. Now we need to grab our second half of the design by simply inserting the graphic the same way we did previously. From here, we will once again crop. However, this time we will be cropping from the opposite direction. As you move the crop line, you will notice there is a dark and a light section of the design. The dark section is what is already there. The light section is what you are currently working on. This is a great guide to really line that up and make sure that everything is seamless. If you are finding any negative space between your graphics, please go back into the crop feature and adjust your line. I prefer to work with a small graphic overlap. This assists in eliminating any possibilities for a line of demarcation during the pressing process. The hard part is over and it is time to resize our design, so you're going to pick whichever design you choose to work with first. From here, we want to only adjust the size of the width. The width is always going to remain the same for both projects because we did not crop anything from that direction. Once you have the best size selected, you will then go up to the right-hand toolbar and copy the size of the width of the first design. Then you will move over to your second design, go into the top toolbar, and paste the width into this design. This is going to ensure that everything is lining up equally. Then make sure they both fit perfectly on the pages, and you are now ready for the printing process. I always recommend using Sublimation presets when printing any design. But if you have any additional questions about printing split designs, please leave them in the comments below. I would be thrilled to go over them with you, and you are officially ready to start printing your new sublimation projects. Have fun!